Hello, and welcome to the tip of the week. This week's tip is convert units using Google Search. Have you ever found yourself needing to convert units quickly? Using Google Search is a quick and easy way to convert different types of units to what you need. Let's look at how to convert ounces to pounds using Google Search. Open Google Chrome and click in the search bar. Type unit conversion in the search bar. Google will populate the conversion calculator. Click in the top drop-down box and select mass if it is not defaulted to it. Above the word ounces, type in 120. You will see that the conversion calculator will tell you that 120 ounces is 7.5 pounds. If you click in the drop-downs below the numbers, you can convert to several different masses, or even switch which side ounces and pounds are shown on. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.